Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to merge multiple photo and convert it to PDF. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, you can see I had three pictures here and I would like to convert this three picture to PDF with one file. How you can do this? Really easy and simple. You can use a simple trick. You can easily merge these three picture with a PDF file. Example, I'm going to first of all what you have to do, just you have to select these all pictures and then right click over there and then click on print. And then you will see this screen will appear. Might be one will appear like this, one note or etc. But you have to choose Microsoft Print to PDF, and then it will appear here. And here, if you like to choose paper size, etc., you can do so. And then if you like to fit picture frame or etc. setup, you can do so. And then simply the final step is click on print, and you can choose a location where you would like to save this file. So I'm going to choose in my desktop, and I'm going to give a name, my PDF file, and then I'm going to click on save, and it's going to immediately save in that located. You can see here the file is saved. So if I open this file, I will see those three pictures is converted with PDF with merge. It's came one file and all come converted to PDF. So this is how you can easily convert picture to PDF with merge. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.